outside. Former track champion, Mel Minute. Roy Holbrook.
buddy.
Mel, congratulations. What a run. I mean, this had to be the perfect track for this 525. And I keep on talking about that. Basically, it's the cheapest super late model motor known to man. And you proved that you can get the car around the track. Some of the advantages is you're allowed to put your motor back a little bit further. You run basically a billboard instead of a spoiler in the back. You got the little spoiler up front. Maybe you can tell the fans about some other differences.
There's a little bit wider body. I'm allowed to be a little bit lighter, which we're heavy anyway, because I'm 220 myself. And my crew did a great job this week. Wasn't for them and my sponsors, I couldn't do this.
A lot of these companies have been long-time backers of Mel Minnick. Going back to whenever you were semi-late champion down at PMS, I know Gary's assistant, Gary's Auto, has been with you. John Over has been with you with K2 Engineering, Butch's Dog. Picked up some new sponsor, Parker Motorsports, has been on here the last couple of years. Butch's Dog, Slavic. I'll let you thank everybody else, but
Elite Motors.
Elite Motors has, now you got 2 generations assistant sponsoring you.
That's right, and hopefully I get a second generation driver, or third, I guess, since my dad done me, and one of my grandsons maybe. My sons aren't interested.
Well, I know you actually had your good luck charm, your backup driver or driver in training in the car earlier tonight. I was on Facebook and I saw a picture of your grandson behind the wheel.
That's my youngest grandson, yeah, he just loves cars, and as soon as he saw the race car first time, he had to get in it.
Sounds like you, Mel, probably back 50 years ago?
I don't know about 50 years, but I'd say late 60s, close to 50.
Yeah, okay. But 50 years ago when you were, I was trying to knock a few years off.
Yeah.
But now's a chance for you to go ahead and also, we got to also thank the staff and management here at Roaring Knob. Pretty much every other track in this area canceled, and Rick Jones said, look, we're a racetrack. We got to race, and we're going to do everything we can. And hopefully, we're going to have a great show for the fans over here. And I'll tell you what, it was an awesome show, especially seeing this crate motor, super late model, pull into victory lane.
Yeah, this thing, the more the race went, the better the car got. I got to thank Rick Jones for sticking it out tonight racing, because I honestly almost said we weren't coming because I kept looking at the radar. Just wish we had got some more fans up here, and Amy that's up in the booth keeps me posted what the weather's doing up here, so thanks to her. And I got a lot of good sponsors here. I'm going to take some pictures with them. I'd like to thank what fans that came out tonight. I hope we can start getting the fan base built back up here, because the surface was awesome tonight. I mean, you could have raced 2-3 wide. It was pretty good.
Let's give a round of applause. Your feature winner from Uniontown, Pennsylvania, former track champion, Mr. Mel Minnick.